Hello, Miri learners! Welcome to the second chapter of Speak English Like a Native. Today we are going to see Let's introduce ourselves. Let's start. So now let's see these short dialogues before seeing the expressions that we can use. Let me introduce myself. I'm Tom Williams. Nice to know you, Williams. You'll have a Coke, won't you? Don't put yourself out for me. Come in, won't you? Let me take your coat. You'll have a Coke, won't you? Don't put yourself out for me. What do you fancy? I like a glass of wine. I'm glad you blew in. Thank you so much for your invitation. Here we have seen some expressions for introducing ourselves, for offering, and for thanking people. Now let's see some more expressions. How can we introduce ourselves in other ways? May I introduce you to my new college, Mr. Williams? If, for example, we want to introduce someone new to someone else. I'd like to introduce you to my new college, Miss Watson. How do you do, Mr. Williams or Miss Watson? Be careful. If it's a man, we are going to use Mr., remember? And if it's a woman, Miss. Do you know Sandra, my wife? No, I don't. Well, you do. Now, have you met my cousin, Tim? No, I haven't. Well, you have now. I'd like you to meet the teacher I spoke to you about. Pleased to meet you. Let me introduce myself. I'm Tom Williams. Nice to know you, Williams. Please, you must meet my sister, Claudia. Meet my sister, Claudia. How can we offer something? For example, a seat. Do have a seat. What can I get you? If, for example, we want to offer a drink. What would you like to drink? What do you fancy? You'll have a Coke, won't you? If, for example, we know that person and we know what he normally drinks. Don't put yourself out for me. Now, how can we thank people for their visit? Do come in and make yourself at home. When, for example, they are going to come to our home. Come in, won't you? Let me take your coat. Won't you come in, please? To what do I owe the honor of this visit? What a lovely surprise to see you here. Glad you could make it. I'm glad you blew in. Feel free to help yourself to anything you need. We are going to use these two expressions when these people have to leave. We are going to use this expression if they are still at home and maybe they need something else. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo vídeo. Thank you, bye bye.